Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios you can do Saturday, February 20th using that 5 off 25. I have some really awesome scenarios for you this week, so if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Okay, here's a quick reminder if you're doing a gain scenario. You want to make sure you're scanning your items in the store and make sure that the Dollar General gain coupon is attaching to every item in these gain scenarios. For whatever reason, sometimes the gain scented coupon will not attach to certain cents, so make sure you're scanning with the app in store. If you need more help learning how to use the Dollar General app, you can click on the card above, or I'll put a card at the end of this video. Also, when you're getting something that's not an actual gain product, you want to make sure you're looking on the product and make sure that it says gain scented on it. Then you will scan those items and make sure that that gain coupon is attaching to that gain scented item. Okay, let's get started on our first scenario. We're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze car clips. They're $5 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Febreze car product digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners for $3. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Mr. Clean product digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Gang Flings 24 count. They're $6.95 each. We're going to use a $3 off 2 Gain Pods digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain fabric softener for $3.95. We're going to make sure that 5 off 30 Gain purchase digital coupon is clipped to our account. We're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. You're going to head on up to the checkout. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $30.85. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $13.85. Okay, this next scenario is a super easy diaper deal. We're going to buy 1 box of the Love's diapers. They're $15. We're going to use the $1.50 off 1 Love's box digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 bag of Love's diapers for $6.50. We're going to use the $1.50 off 1 Love's bag digital coupon. And then next, we're going to buy 2 boxes of the Cheez-It crackers. They are $2 each because adults and children alike love Cheez-Its. Then we're going to use that $1 off 2 Cheez-It digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $9 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $16.50. Okay, now let's do a paper deal. We're going to buy 1 Cottonelle toilet paper 12-pack rolls for $5. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Cottonelle digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Scott toilet paper 12-pack rolls for $5 each. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Scott product digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Bic Us razor starter kits for $9. We're going to use that $5 off 1 Bic Us razor digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Degree dry deodorants. They're $5. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Degree store digital coupon. Then we're also going to use that $1.50 off 1 Degree manufacturer digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total is going to come to $29. $3 in instant savings will come off automatically for spending $15 on Scott and Cottonelle products. Then we're going to enter our telephone number at the keypad. $14.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making our new total before tax just $11.50. And you're also going to want to make sure you scan this receipt to Fetch Rewards because Cottonelle, Scott, and Degree are all participating brands of Fetch Rewards. What is Fetch Rewards, you ask? Well, let me show you. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay guys, those are all the scenarios I have for you for this week. I really wasn't highly impressed with the digital coupons this week. I wasn't going to do a video, but I didn't want to leave you hanging because I told you I was back, and I'm going to make sure I post a video, even if it's 1 or 2 scenarios, just to let you know I'm still here. I've had a lot of people ask me lately about how to use the Dollar General app. I guess we have some new Dollar General couponers. So at the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and post the tutorial that I used to put at the beginning of all my other videos. But before I run that quick tutorial, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, you know the drill. Leave them in the comment section down below. One more little announcement. It looks like next weekend we might be getting a clearance event at Dollar General, so that will be nice. So I will keep you updated on that. I haven't been posting CVS videos because CVS is still doing me super dirty and not giving me any CRTs. I get like 4, maybe 5 each week, and they're not great ones. So I'm debating on whether I need to just open a whole new account. If CVS is still doing you dirty, let me know. I called customer service and spoke to them back at the beginning of January. They told me 2 or 3 weeks and it'd be working again like perfect. It is not working again like perfect. It is working horribly. So if anybody else has opened a new account because of this, let me know. Let me know what your plan is. I've talked to customer service. I don't know what else to do. I just hate that I'm going to have to cancel my Care Pass, restart on the other account, blah. It's not something I'm looking forward to doing, but it is what it is. If your CRT's never messed up and maybe CVS is just being super stingy on CRTs right now, let me know before I go and cancel my card and get a new one. Okay, anyways, let me go ahead and run this quick Dollar General tutorial. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once this screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some VRYQQ and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.